This fit-looking couple once watched each other's struggles in silence.
Hi, this is Kopal.
Hi, this is Harish.
And this is our story.
Two different bodies, two different struggles, but one shared truth. They refused to give up, and they both wanted their lives back. And everything changed with a single decision. At WildFit, the approach was structured, personalized, and sustainably designed for two people walking the same path.
I certainly feel stronger, physically more active, and much fitter than I used to. I also feel much more confident looking at my own body in the mirror. Most importantly, my kidney parameters have also improved over time, which makes me feel great about myself.
My deficiencies have gone away and I have increased energy levels.
But what truly made the difference was how they supported each other every single day. A husband who found his resilience and a wife who reclaimed her confidence. Together, they proved that standing strong for each other takes transformation beyond a temporary goal. At 38, when we think we've got life figured out, Amit was dealing with fatty liver, a deranged lipid profile, and high uric acid.
Hi, I'm Amit, and this is my story.
Working in finance, always chasing targets, juggling responsibilities, pushing for better heights. But in that race, his health kept falling to the bottom of the list like every New Year's resolution. Also, increasing stress led to high cravings for food. When he decided to take a step for his health, WildFit came into the picture. The experts analyzed his health markers and created a sustainable, personalized program designed around exactly what Amit needed for his better health. And the results were a jaw-dropping moment for all. Losing 7 kgs of pure fat in the duration of 24 weeks, but also reversed all his health markers. Amit started the year battling his health. The last thing he was left to figure out. He faced it, resolved it, and now he's building a better version of himself.
She was 64 and her body was quietly asking for help. Let me tell you Manju's story. Despite being spiritual and disciplined for years, she was disappearing under the layers of physical struggle. High HbA1c, stressed kidneys, elevated uric acid, inflammation, liver stress, lipid imbalance, and dependence on multiple medications. Years of oil-heavy carb meals, low water intake, and no structured movements quietly led to metabolic imbalance. And that's when Manju chose to act. With absolute clarity and discipline, she followed her plan with complete consistency, which was carefully designed by WildFit's health experts. Portions were controlled without any fear or guilt. Outside food was just managed smartly. Hydration improved. Rehab workouts continued even during rest phases. And her body started responding within weeks. Weight came down by 4 kilos in just 16 weeks. She trusted lifestyle correction over shortcuts, supported by targeted fitness and nutrition science.
Even her medical conditions could not stop her from finishing 7th at the Yodha race.
Hi, I am Vrushali and this is my story from health to fitness and now to performance.
30 weeks before the Yodha race, Vrushali had an elevated lipid profile and hypothyroidism. And that's when everything shifted, with the decision to step into WildFit became the turning point. The expert team analyzed her blood parameters, BCA reports, training capacity, and recovery patterns. Considering the fitness screening insights, a personalized journey was designed with optimizing her nutrition choices, structured strength and performance training, and precise transformation tracking. Now today she's 6 kilograms lighter, with retaining muscles and losing pure fat. But what truly took her transformation beyond the physical was the moment we realized that all her blood markers had normalized. Her dedication, week after week, turned into steady progress that finally showed up as real breakthroughs, leading to a standout performance at the Yodha race. And she secured 7th rank among women aged 32 to 35 in her category. Her health started getting worse because she was only sleeping 3 hours a night.
Hi, my name is Pallavi and this is my story.
Several major hormonal issues were triggered: PCOS, perimenopause, OCD, along with poor gut health. Her body was breaking down silently and her mind was exhausted. Her stress was at its highest and she had almost no energy left to even look after herself.
आणि मग ब्लड टेस्टमध्ये मला त्याच्या पुढे असं कळलं की आपले पॅरामीटर्स सगळे गेलेले आहेत. आपण खूप थोड्या पुढच्या टप्प्यावर आलेलो आहे की जिथे खूप गरज आहे स्वतःच्या तब्येतीची काळजी घेणं. कारण की मी फक्त अपिअरन्सवर लक्ष देत होते. केस, नखं, डोळे किंवा स्किन हेल्थकडे माझं लक्ष नव्हतं. जे मला लोकांनी थोडं नोटीस करून सांगितलं की तुझ्या हेल्थकडे तुझं लक्ष देणं, डॉक्टर स्पेशली डॉक्टर्स, की वजन कमी करा. तर ते पॅरामीटर्स तेव्हाच तुमचे परत व्यवस्थित येऊ शकतील जर तुम्ही वजन एक प्रोफेशनल पद्धतीने केलं तर.
That's when WildFit experts stepped in. Not just to treat the symptoms, but to find the real cause. They discovered it wasn't only her health, it was her chaotic routine and the habit of always putting herself last. So they created a personalized transformation program tailored to her body, her stress, her hormones, her lifestyle. Fast forward to 60 weeks. Her weight dropped from 82.7 kilos to 70. Her sleep doubled from 3 hours to 6. Her stress dropped close to 0. And her gut health is finally better. And most importantly, her confidence is now unshakable. She still manages multiple roles, just like 90% of women. But this time, she chose her health first. And now, she's on track to hit her performance goals before the year even ends. His list of health issues were getting ticked like a time bomb inside him. And still, at his lowest, he chose to improve his health without relying on medications and doctors. And that changed everything for him. Sandeep chose WildFit to improve his health, fitness and performance. The expert team studied his blood parameters, BCA reports, and fitness assessments in detail. They then crafted a personalized wellness journey centered on these 3 key pillars: optimal nutritional choices, guided strength training and endurance sessions, and an absolute transformation tracking mechanism to measure his every milestone. In 30 weeks, Sandeep lost 6 kilograms of pure fat mass while gaining significant strength. The tremendous improvements in his blood reports marked an incredible achievement. A transformation that both Sandeep and the WildFit team were proud to witness. But he wasn't stopping there. This is how we cover 6 out of 6 Beyond Transformation stories.